Schongau, a picturesque town in Bavaria, Germany, is steeped in history and surrounded by natural beauty. Located along the Romantic Road, it offers visitors a charming blend of medieval architecture, scenic landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. Its cobbled streets, well-preserved town walls, and welcoming atmosphere make it a favorite destination for travelers seeking an authentic Bavarian experience. The medieval walls of Schongau are among its most defining features. These fortifications, built during the 13th and 14th centuries, are remarkably well preserved and encircle the old town. Visitors can walk along sections of the walls, exploring towers and gates that offer panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The walls are a testament to Schongau's historical importance as a fortified settlement. At the heart of Schongau lies its historic town square, the Marienplatz. This charming area is lined with colorful buildings, traditional Bavarian architecture, and lively cafes. The square is a hub of activity, hosting weekly markets, festivals, and community gatherings. It also features the Mariensaal, a Marian column erected as a symbol of faith and gratitude. The parish church of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary is a standout landmark in Schongau. This stunning Baroque church, with its ornate stucco work, frescoes, and gilded altars, is a masterpiece of Bavarian religious art. Its interiors reflect the craftsmanship of local artisans, while its tower provides an iconic silhouette visible from afar. Schongau's connection to the Romantic Road makes it a convenient stop for travelers exploring this famous route. The Romantic Road, stretching from Würzburg to Füssen, highlights some of Germany's most picturesque towns and landscapes. Schongau's location near the Alps adds to its appeal as a base for exploring both cultural and natural attractions. Nature lovers will appreciate Schongau's proximity to the Lech River and its surrounding trails. The Lech offers opportunities for kayaking, fishing, and hiking along its scenic banks. The region's lush greenery and gentle hills create a peaceful setting for outdoor activities, making it an ideal escape for those seeking tranquility and fresh air. The town's history museum, housed in a historic building, provides an in-depth look at Schongau's past. Exhibits include artifacts from the town's medieval period, tools from its farming heritage, and displays about local customs and traditions. The museum brings the history of Schongau to life, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Schongau's seasonal festivals are a highlight for visitors. The town celebrates traditional Bavarian events, including beer festivals, Christmas markets, and harvest celebrations. These festivals feature music, dance, and regional cuisine, providing an authentic taste of Bavarian culture and a lively atmosphere that draws both locals and tourists. Schongau's cultural connections extend to its role in film and literature. The town has been a setting for various films and books, often celebrated for its medieval charm and timeless appeal. Its architecture and ambiance have inspired artists and authors, cementing its place in Bavarian cultural history. The Schongauer Marchenwald, Fairytale Forest, is a family-friendly attraction that combines nature and storytelling. This theme park features trails with interactive fairy tale scenes, play areas, and animal enclosures. It's a favorite for children and offers a whimsical way to explore the region's natural beauty. Schongau's culinary scene showcases traditional Bavarian cuisine, with hearty dishes like schnitzel, pretzels, and Käsespätzle, cheesy pasta. Local beer and pastries like apple strudel, round out the dining experience. Restaurants and cafes in the Old Town provide both cozy settings and authentic flavors. Cycling enthusiasts will find plenty of trails around Schongau, connecting the town to neighboring villages and natural attractions. The well-maintained paths make it easy to explore the region's rolling hills, forests, and riverside landscapes. Bicycle rentals and guided tours are available for those seeking an active adventure. Schongau's weekly markets are a vibrant showcase of local produce and craftsmanship. Farmers and artisans gather to sell fresh fruits, vegetables, cheeses, and handmade goods. These markets not only provide a taste of local life but also offer unique souvenirs for visitors to take home. The Luftelmalerei, a traditional form of fresco painting, can be admired on buildings throughout Schongau. These colorful murals often depict religious scenes, historical events, or rural life. This art form adds to the town's charm and provides insight into its cultural heritage. Schongau's connection to the pilgrimage route of St. James attracts spiritual travelers and hikers. As part of the Camino de Santiago, the town offers a peaceful stop along this historic path. Pilgrims can visit local churches and enjoy the serene landscapes as they continue their journey. The Tuscany Spa Schongau is a modern wellness retreat that blends relaxation with the region's natural beauty. Offering thermal pools, saunas, and spa treatments, it's a perfect place to unwind. The spa is inspired by Tuscan design, providing a touch of Mediterranean elegance in the heart of Bavaria. Schongau's winter charm is undeniable, with snow-covered rooftops and festive decorations creating a magical atmosphere. The Christmas market in Marienplatz is a seasonal highlight, featuring handcrafted gifts, mulled wine, and traditional carols. Winter sports enthusiasts can also enjoy skiing and snowshoeing in nearby alpine areas. The town's cultural events, including concerts, theater performances, and art exhibitions, add to its appeal. Local venues host events that range from classical music to contemporary art, ensuring a dynamic cultural scene. These activities provide visitors with opportunities to connect with Schongau's creative spirit. Schongau's hospitality is evident in its range of accommodations, from cozy guest houses to boutique hotels. Many establishments are family-run, ensuring a warm and personalized experience. Staying in the heart of the Old Town allows visitors to fully immerse themselves in the town's historic and cultural ambiance. Whether exploring its medieval walls, enjoying its natural surroundings, or experiencing its vibrant festivals, Schongau offers a rich and multifaceted experience. Its blend of history, culture, and Bavarian charm makes it a destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.